and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this video I'm going to be showing you the My Surveys page and how to fill out one of those surveys. So to access your surveys, all you need to do is hit My Surveys in the top right banner. And then you're going to be greeted with the vendor home page or the My Surveys page. And up here you're going to see your vendor information, which you can update by clicking this link. And then just enter any info that's changed into these boxes and hit save, but we're just going to go back for now. And then down here it's going to give you a table with all of the surveys that we have for you in our database. If you don't see a survey down here that you believe you should have, you can just click this link right here to create a new survey. You'll just need a service code, a vendor number, a regional center to choose, and a TIN. And then to actually see the survey itself and to fill it out, just click on the survey link in the far left column. So at the top here we have a Generate PDF button, and you can click that to be redirected to this page, where you can click this link to be taken to a PDF of the survey with any answers that you have already filled out printed alongside with it. And you can either save this to your computer or print it out from your browser usually. Some browsers, it'll download it automatically. Others, it'll open the PDF in the browser like Google Chrome. And then there will be a button usually in the top right to either print it or save it to your computer. There's also a Get Help button, and when you click that, you'll be taken to this page. If you're having a problem answering a specific question, you can direct it to your regional center. But if it's a technical issue with that specific survey, you can direct it to IT. And then you just hit the Submit button down here. Any technical issues that you're having that are with the site itself and not that specific survey, you can hit IT Help in this top banner and submit a help desk ticket. We've got a separate video on that. So right underneath those two buttons, we've got our current survey status. I have not completed this survey. There's still plenty of questions that I haven't filled out. So right here we can see our current survey status. So right here we have an example of some of the filtering that the survey does. So since by default it thinks of us as a non-residential service provider, it hides federal requirements 6 through 10 from the survey, because as a non-residential provider we don't have to answer them. So if we were to scroll down, we would still see the descriptions for 6 through 10, but we would not see any of the specific questions because they don't pertain to us. That changes when we answer question 8. So the residential and non-residential service codes are detailed right here. And so for instance, 096 is a residential service code. So when we choose our service and setting type, if we scroll down, and if we were a geriatric facility, which has a residential service code, and we hit save, that's going to automatically refresh the page, and now we see it identifies us as a residential provider and 6 through 10 are required. So if we scroll down, now we see the questions for federal requirement 6 showing up, and 7 through 10 will also show up below that. And you're going to see some additional comments about your survey status right here. And we just recommend that you save your work often in case you have any internet difficulties, so that you don't lose any of your input. And definitely make sure to save it at the end when you have filled everything out. One last thing, for the survey table down here on the bottom of the vendor homepage or the My Surveys page, in order to view any notes that you have submitted, just click See Notes, and that'll let you add additional notes if you realize that something was missing from a previous note, and it's also going to show you any notes that you have previously submitted in a table right here.